How to start dropshipping from scratch in 2025. Go from 0 to 10K. It's crafted to be high converting, authoritative, and aligned with premium advertisers for 100 plus RPM. Are you tired of watching others succeed online while you struggle to get started? The truth is, most people fail because they overcomplicate business. That's why Shopify Dropshipping in 2025 is the smartest path for